The daily code snippet. The sizes attribute with the image element can be used to specify media conditions. Media conditions are statements that are evaluated on a true or false basis. So sometimes you want to be more specific than saying 80% of the viewport window. You may want to use 70% of the viewport window when the browser is being viewed on a desktop screen that is at least 1,000 pixels wide. But when you are on a handheld mobile device that has a smaller screen width, let's say 600 pixels, you instead want it to display at 90% of the viewport window or even 100%. In this case, you would use the sizes attribute with the media condition specified. The following example shows how this may be written out. Presented by Designers Learn Code.